Attempt number 52. I may no longer have grenades, but I do have a dream and a rifle. Face it, dude, you're not gonna find a girl or someone who enjoys listening to MF Doom. Well, maybe, but it's very hard to find, I guess. Hey everybody, BoomerGhost here. Welcome back to another episode of Half-Life. Last time, I fought 2 giant monsters, which was an insane fight, and after several tries, I managed to destroy them, and now we ended up here in the railroad stop where we must go to the rocket station and avoid dying. So, let's continue. How long did this guy stay here? Are you going to find a way to get out of here or wait for someone to find an exit? Don't you worry, I'll go ahead and launch that rocket and see if it could help us. And down I go to the lower floor where something awaits me. In this case, water. I'm very sure the military will be guarding the place. These assholes are everywhere, but I guess the better way to fight back is to think what I'm supposed to do instead of running towards them. There's water all over the place. This is why you shouldn't be living in a place with water sprinkler system. Do you think cooking counts as art? Yes, it does count as art for a reason. With that electricity, it's not worth it to get off of this thing. This ride looks thrilling. Is this what a ride at Disneyland feels like? I wonder what's the total cost of spending a day at the park. It shouldn't be that hard and expensive to be there, right? Also, is Universal Studios cheaper than that? It would be the same as Hospital Dead. Oh, a power battery. You cannot convince me that dots are gummies. Gummies are supposed to be chewy, not sticky. But I'll still give them a 5 out of 10. I'm more of a Sour Patch Kids kind of guy, and gummy clusters. Am I choosing the correct path? I'll go ahead and see what's on the other side. This is where they store crates for some reason. So, I discovered the other day that people are making cakes that look like realistic animals and cutting them right in front of their pets. I wish them nothing but a get robbed in broad daylight and their pets taken away from them. I wouldn't do that to my pet even if he pisses everywhere. This rifle is awesome. Hey you. Don't act like I can't see you, you fat ass. Oh crap, we put a turret in here. Is that thing turned on? Because it would be bad if it was. I'll just double tap and move slowly to see if everyone is dead. Oh crap. Ow, ow, ow. The thing is on. I'm leaving. I'm starting to feel that this place might be a maze. Or maybe not, it just goes straight forward. Oh look, more of these things. Oh yeah, I have a grenade launcher. Maybe the different paths might lead to items like health, packs, bullets, etc., but I'm lazy to walk. I want to go a little bit faster, but what if I end up getting crushed by the ceiling? I avoided death earlier, but death always finds a way, and I really don't like it. I'll just have to make sure when to do it. Well, this place looks quite familiar. I took a full circle. I didn't know I would be back here so soon. I really didn't pay attention. Looks like I gotta lift this crane so I can keep moving. Why would they need a crane in here? This isn't a good spot to put it. This place has many design flaws. Oh nice, I can change the direction. Don't tell me that I need to avoid that turret. I can just speed it up and be safe. And without having to lose a limb. Oh look, there might be something that I could use here. Dude just died to this monster with the most annoying death sound I have ever heard. That's quite embarrassing. I'll be taking this. Aquarium lamps would be the best lamps for your bedroom. You should at least have one just in case. These things are not smart enough to find a better location to bait. How can these things appear in the ceiling? Do they grow like mushrooms and mold on random spots? That would be creepy. This guy died to the same monster, and all it took was just one bullet. Anyway, I'm gonna take some of his stuff. Looks like someone else died in a very gruesome way. Nice, I timed the shot. I can hear the turret from here. Please give me mercy. Okay, but what if I shoot at it? Oh hey, it worked. I could have done the same last time I came across a turret. That one dude could have been saved. Okay, the claw has been moved. We can now move to the next area. Idiot. Do not step on the rails. I really wish I can throw these head crabs off the stairs like a bouncy ball. Can you use them to ball? Oh god, they know I'm here. Ouch. Well, at least that grenade didn't kill me. How am I supposed to react that fast? This was unexpected. Are there more of them in there? There are a lot of floors, so I might have to be extremely careful and shoot whatever I see. Are they hiding and shooting in a place that I can't see? That's unfair. Okay, I can't go near there without taking damage. These guys are like a turret with legs. This is normal enemy AI, right? It's not a skill issue, I swear. Okay, this might not look good. This is all the health that I can get, so I better not die. Is he dead? I'm not sure, but I'm out of here. I only have 50%. I need to deal with them upstairs so I can keep moving. I'll just keep shooting. You know, this is the best time that I could use the revolver. I have failed the quick time event. Hey, you want grenades? I'll give you grenades, I don't even need them. Yeah, as I thought. What are you shooting at? Doesn't matter. I must keep moving. I'm out of here. Oh, look, there's a fight in there. If the monsters kills the soldiers, I might have an advantage. Pineapple surprise. Funny, isn't it? Here's one for you too. Oh crap. Okay, that grenade almost got me. Okay, everyone's dead. I didn't even need to fight. There are more in here. I can feel it.
Oh shit!
Hey, if you're gonna throw a grenade, throw at my face. At least it didn't explode on impact. I'll keep throwing grenades and hope that it works. And I'll have to use my revolver. Wait, what? Okay, who decided to put that asshole in the corner? And where's that alien monster or whatever the hell that thing is? Let's try this again. Hold on, let them fight. Oh wait, it's already over. Thank you, but I must put you down, I'm sorry. They're still fighting, and both of them want me dead. But they'll just end up killing themselves. Or I end up killing them. Which is what I'm doing. I haven't seen any innocent people in here. They might be dead as well. Their survival instincts must be worse than me. I wonder what was that random guy fate that the security guard told us before heading to the launching area. He didn't live long enough to see GTA 6, I think. Speaking of GTA 6, by the time this video releases, I'm very sure that it's going to get delayed again. That game is going to destroy every digital store when it comes out. I'll give it an hour of downtime. It will be the Silksong effect, but 10 times worse. GTA 6 has become death, destroyer of digital stores. That game is going to take a lot of space. Oh crap, they're also here. They're just going to wait for me on every stop. Okay, this revolver is very overpowered. There's another crane in here. Time for some exploration. I'll just wait for this guy to finish his thing. Better watch your back before it fades to black. Another one just showed up to avenge his teammate. And another one ended up getting spawn killed. And this dude somehow survived the turret. But not me. This would be a good time to drink a monster and go berserk. Oh crap, these things again. Ow. Head crab surprise attacks must be the most annoying thing that could happen to you when you're low on health. I can see you. Yeah, that camping site will be your grave for now. That took me so many tries to figure out what I'm supposed to do, without having to sacrifice the security guard. Oh yeah, I found a survivor over here. He's now safe in a locked room. I can see some lasers over there. Would something happen if I shoot at it? The bombs did not do anything. Oh, here's the rocket. Is this the one that I need to launch? Ow, oh shit. These guys won't leave me alone. They'll just appear out of nowhere. I don't know where they're at, but I'll just use another grenade. And another one just in case. Oh hey, I got one. Good thing that this rocket is explosion-proof. That's not enough health. Just 3 shots and I might be dead. It's gonna be hard to survive this longest. At least I have half the shield. Now there might be something waiting for me. And it's just a spitter. Don't hit the turret. Oh hey, what is that thing? Sometimes people have to feel what you feel, if you want to feel better. Only if you're sane enough. Oh god, there's a lot of them. Okay, I shouldn't take a lot of damage from this. Well, it's okay, I can still survive a little bit longer. Now let's see what I'm supposed to do here. Okay, the stairs are blocked. I think someone just saw me. No way, and I just already healed myself. How do I get in? This box can't be that tall. I should be able to jump over there. I am jumping and can't get through. Am I supposed to do something over here?
You'll want to stand right at the mouth of the pipe and continue to press forward. Then jump up, and while you're in midair, go into a crouch. It's tricky, but you'll find it comes in handy.
I decided to take an entire tutorial only to forget an important move that was necessary to move on. I have never felt ashamed of myself until now. I hate everything. Let's just keep moving. Okay, I got everything ready. Now I just need to finish something that I came across earlier. So, while I was stuck with the box, I decided to explore a little bit, and I came across an army base, and they kicked my ass. So it might be a challenge to fight them back. My brother in Christ. Where's that dude? Oh, he stepped on the rails. Deserved. Am I supposed to ride on the other train? Well, damn it. Okay, this took me several tries, and being this low on health does make it look difficult. How about if all you show up and fight me? They are just hiding and waiting for me to do something. I guess I have no choice to start the fight myself. And hoping I won't get killed in the process. Do not stand near the turret. Okay, not a good place to get health. I need to take cover. I can blow him up, but I really don't want to end up making a mistake and doing this all over again, so just 1 or 2 shots should do it. Holy crap, this place is a fucking mess. And that's all I can get. Oh hey, a health kit. This thing really didn't help me kill all the soldiers, but at least it wasn't used to destroy me. You know what? I'm not even going to bother fighting these guys. I think I had enough. I'm already tired of this place. I've been dying many times till I realized that I can just dodge their bullets. There's no point on killing them, but I wish I could if I had more health. But next time I'll be prepared to fight them with everything I have. And grenades. That electricity is enough to kill me. I didn't expect it to be that deadly. Oh, and don't shoot near the bombs. All this for me to start all over. Oh, look at this. This is something new. Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me. Can't I just have a moment of peace here? I don't really know if I feel safe riding in this piece of crap. Just leave me alone. This is the worst way the game can troll me. There is nothing that could make me feel miserable than these guys. Even the head crabs are more acceptable than that. And what could this be? Somebody will shoot me at any moment. Now I have to be careful with the electric show and keep on moving and hope that all of this will stop and I'll get something that will heal me so I can leave this game. Oh. Is this where I need to stop? This could lead to somewhere. Oh look, traps. Traps that I did not end up shooting and exploding out of curiosity. Oh good. Health for another fight. No, you stay away from me. I could have blown him up. Okay, at least it was something that's easy to kill. I don't know how far the rocket station is, but I already want to go there, so I'll just have to end here for my own good. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you want to help me out. I will appreciate it, and I hope I can offer you more content in the future. So why not do it right now, if you want to. So once again, thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Take care of yourselves.